Good morning, people. Saturday in Australia.
Happy Saturday!
Got my phone case.
He went to the post office, guys. He got his phone case. We ordered this when we were in Japan. Is it good?
Yeah, it's got like a little thing I can stand up and watch stuff with. That's pretty different.
Hindi pa niya ginamit yung phone niya kasi
Flashy.
wala pa siyang case. We got a case in Hong Kong, which probably nakita nyo na sa haul, but yeah, we ordered this as well. Before pa namin nabili yung sa Hong Kong.
Better see which one's better. This one's good.
Yeah.
Seem to protect it.
I need to hold the stuff first. Alam ko nakita nyo na yung haul, guys, pero nandito pa siya. Oh, hindi ko pa siya na-haul.
I don't think bad, but I don't know if it protected because the glass is...
Do you want to get like a tempered glass, like what people do these days?
What does that mean?
It's like the glass that covers your front screen.
Glass cover?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like a glass sticker. I don't really know what it is. I don't do it on my
Let's
phone.
order one.
No, you get people to do it for you. We probably can do it ourselves, but you know. And I have a package. Can you unbox that for me, babe? I think that's my glasses.
Is it?
I think so. I think it. Oh, what EMS? Hello. Where's that from? What is it, babe?
Orange glasses.
Glasses? Okay. I got this from Firmoo. Hindi to sponsored, guys. Hindi nila bigay sa akin to. I actually ordered it. Before kami, siguro I ordered this mga 1 week before kami umalis, guys. Kasi gagamitin ko sana siya sa Japan. Kaya lang hindi umabot. They were having like a buy one, get one free. So, $29 for 2. But I paid more because of shipping. Ala, babe, don't break it, babe. Ayaw lagi. Yay. That's nice. I like that one. Yay. And then how about the other one? I think it's kind of like the same style but different color.
Same style stuff.
No, I don't have anything like this. Is it gold? Oh, yes. I like that one. Oh, gold and black. I like it.
Alright, there you go.
Yay! Firmoo, guys! Hello, people! Sabi ko, tsaka-tsaka ko, fresh ni Dan. Umalis siya kanina kasi, kaninang umaga, kasi yung car namin, na-drive niya yun sa, parang may na-drive siya na tubo. Kahapon, nung din-drive niya sa work, na after niya magpa-petrol, naamoy niya yung petrol. So, sabi niya, baka na-damage nung, tamaan niya yung tubo last time. So, dinala niya yung car sa Subaru para ipa-detail. And luckily, naayos naman nila. Meron lang daw na, what happened to your car again, my love?
I drove over something and one of the...
Like, tubes?
Tubes came loose. Yeah,
so parang siya, kaya yung petrol, parang dumadaan dun sa tube na that came loose. And amoy na amoy namin yung petrol. Chinek ni Dan kung may leak, wala namang tumutulo na petrol. Nagpa full tank siya kahapon. Tapos biglang 3 agad yung nakuha, 3 lines agad yung nakuha kasi nga nawi-waste yung petrol. And ayaw mo naman na may leak na petrol, 'di ba? Nakakatakot kaya. So kaninang umaga, maaga siya, guys, pumunta siya ng Subaru para ipa-check. Buti na lang talaga yung maliit lang na tube, naayos naman nila agad-agad. Nagbayad na din siya, pa-detail na din ng car. Pero at least walang extra bayad yung pag-ayos ng tube na maliit. Pero yeah, anyway, back to this. Sa lahat na nagtatanong kung saan ko nabili yung mga glasses ko. Lahat ng glasses ko, guys, nakuha ko from Firmoo. Ito, sinend to sa akin ng Firmoo matagal na. And I use this all the time. I also have the, like, parang rectangular one na I used to use a lot nung nagtatrabaho pa ako. But dito sa bahay, ito yung gusto kong gamitin. At saka yung very lightweight na gold, yung niya, frame niya. Lahat na sa lahat, Firmoo. So, I ordered 2 more. Ang maganda sa Firmoo, hindi mo na kailangan ng prescription galing sa eye doctor mo. Like, as long as alam mo kung ano yung prescription mo, ikaw na mag-add dun. So, ito, meron siyang prescription. And hindi siya ganun kamahal. Silver one. Mas maganda to tingnan kung naka-eyebrows ako and all.
There's like the insurance company. Insurance company reckons it's not covered. They're going to put a new fuel tank in and do a bit of other stuff. They reckon about 5.5, maybe a little bit less. 5,500, yeah. Yeah, they said it's been leaking a fair bit of petrol. Like, I put a tank in yesterday, and by the time I got home, I reckon I dropped a third of a tank. So,
Wow.
like we could smell the petrol in our bedroom last night just from the car.
Yan yung ginawa niya sa akin kanina. Nung tinawagan niya ako, prank niya ako. Sabi niya, oh, kailangan natin magbayad ng mga 5,000. Buang talaga.
Okay, that's good.
We are heading out to have lunch. Gutom na ako. We will have, kasi di ba wala kaming pagkain sa fridge. Di ba bumalik kami Thursday. Friday, nag-work si Dan. And nasa bahay lang ako, nag-edit ako guys. Matagal ako nagising. Hindi nga ako nakapag-vlog. Tapos nanood kami ng footy. So wala kaming time makapag-grocery shopping. Today kami mag-grocery shopping. And because hindi naman kami nag-dinner sa bahay kahapon kasi nga nagpunta kami ng footy. Wala, kumain lang kami dun sa footy. And ngayon, wala kaming pagkain. So we will have lunch sa dumpling, what's the name of that? Dumpling place? Dumpling house?
Dumpling King.
Dumpling King pala. Dumpling King. Yung masarap nila na dumpling with fried rice and some, oh my gosh, I'm so hungry.
Starving.
Yeah. Nag-edit kasi ako ng video. Tinapos ko yung video before kami umalis. So, si Dan kanina pa niya ako hinihintay. Naligo pa ako at lahat. Nakapag-makeup ako ng slight. So, di ba nawala na yung pimple dito? Nilagyan ko siya ng konting concealer lang guys para makover lang siya. Pero wala na siya. Flat na siya. Meron lang siyang scar from the pimple. Tapos ito lumabas. Nakakaloka talaga. Oy, ewan ko na. Dumpling King pala guys. Diyan tayo kakain. Ang init guys. Parang malamig yung hangin pero sobrang init ni Mr. Sun. We have our fried rice. Nag-order lang kami ng usual order namin dito. Fried rice. Hindi pa dumating yung dumpling. And then this share lang kami ni Dan ng mango iced tea. Hungry?
Starving.
Dumpling is here guys. Ito yung 15 pieces na pork dumpling. Kanina pa ako kain ng rice. Gutom na ako eh. Yeah, ito masarap yung nila, chili sauce. Dito na kami guys sa car park, malapit sa Kmart at saka sa Kohl's. We will do like a big shopping today. Nanggaling kami sa Target kanina kasi yung kinainan namin malapit lang sa Target. Hindi ko nadala yung camera ko pero we got some stuff for the box, balikbayan box kasi meron silang mga naka-sale guys. 'Di ba Easter? So maraming mga Easter chocolate, mga Easter na mga ganap. Eh naka-sale na sila kasi tapos na yung Easter. Like papakita ko sa inyo mamaya siguro or hindi ko alam, siguro i-accumulate ko siya and then gagawa ako ng like massive haul for balikbayan box. Anyway, bumili din kami ng gift para sa pamangkin ni Dan, anak ng pinsan niya. Birthday niya bukas, so attend kami. Umuwi lang kami sa bahay saglit para kunin yung flybys kasi sa Target hindi naman siya nagamit kasi hindi nadala ni Dan. Alright, let's go Kmart first and then Kohl's. Tapos na kami sa Kmart guys. Kohl's na tayo. Nagdala kami ng bags kasi marami-rami to. Yeah, grab a big one. Big trolley, my love. Alam nyo ba, may lista kami nakalimutan namin. So, ngayon magre-rely tayo sa aking memory na walay. Okay, we need this for your lunch and, yeah, lunch.
Yeah.
Okay? How many? Just one for now?
Just one.
This big one.
Wow.
Buang gigada ni Boy. Hala, babe, look at the talong, babe. That is a massive talong. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Laki na talong. Naka 10% off yung lunch ni Dan, guys. So, 2 days next week. Magsasamon siya. Wait, kunin natin yung maganda sa likod. No, that's alright. Is that fine?
Yeah, that's fine.
That piece? Okay, I'll get one more. Oops. Alright, cool. There you go.
Thank you.
It's alright. We'll get steak for Danny Boy para sa dinner niya. Supportan ng diet, guys. Here, it's on special. Wow. That's good, babe. Or is that too big?
No.
No, it's not too big. My love. What's this? 7.20.
Sandwiches.
Okay. Get these, the 2 pieces.
I'm thinking porterhouse.
Naubusan ng chicken thigh sa deli, guys. So, dito tayo. Meron din sila, oh. They have chicken liver here as well. Hindi ko alam yan. And then giblets. Yeah.
They'll probably be better than these ones.
Yeah, okay. Ayaw ni Dan na bumibili ng chicken thighs or like mga ganito dito. Gusto niya sa deli para fresh daw. Ayaw niya yung nakapack na. I remember we have bread sa lista natin. Uy! Uy! That one's good. Ito guys, oh, kung naghahanap kayo ng cake, masarap to do yung cheesecake na mango sa Coles. Yeah, don't get it, babe. Marami silang mga pa-cake dito. Milk is there, babe. How many?
2.
I'm looking for your mayonnaise.
I know where it is.
4?
Yeah, you get 4.
Okay. How many do you have there now?
1.
Just 1? Okay. Four.
You get Mountain Dew
Chips.
for $1.20. Gotta mix it up with my Mountain Dew.
Oh yes. Mountain Dew is good. Chips.
You choose.
Mayonnaise para sa lunch ni Dan, yung cold rolls. Real mayo?
Oh, look at that.
Oh, that. Ha!
Fat
Half
free?
price. Fat free?
Aye,
Go
aye.
for fat free.
Ah.
Go for fat free. Good job, babe.
For me.
Half price ang mga Maybelline, guys. Tingnan nyo naman siya. Half price siya, beshi. Tingnan natin yung display na talaga nila na marami. Half price again. Look at this. Half price sila. Kaya lang, ang dami kong makeup wipe. So, I'm gonna pass today.
One or the green one when you brush.
Green. Half price lahat ng Maybelline. Let's see. Kung meron silang maraming shades ng paborito ko. Ito, oh. Wait. Lover. Meron na. Ah, wala pa ako niyan. Ay, meron ako. Binigyan ako. Seductress. Meron din. Dreamer, wala. Pero ayoko niya. Wala.
For us.
Ito yung gusto ko na laundry detergent. 12% ubus na. Ito na lang. Maliit na lang muna tayo. What's that? Ayaw yan. Ayoko yan. Just this one. A small one for now. Another one gone. Reduced to clear. Toilet paper siguro yun. Okay, we need toilet paper. Oh, that one?
We're gone.
What's that? Oh, Kleenex. Hello. Ala, that one. Isn't that Kleenex? Clean toilet tissue wipe. That's the one, babe. Isn't it? I think it is, babe. Wait. Complete clean toilet tissue. 12 pack. Ah, that's 32.
That's $15.
Nasa heaven na siya. Ay, nako, Dani. Mga Easter eggs, guys, naka-discount. How much is that? That's a good one. What is it?
Barrelay as well. Good.
Peanuts? Ah. See, ang dami.
Oh, okay.
$10.
Whereabouts is it? Just come in? Oh, cool.
What is it, babe?
I'll grab one.
What do you have there, babe?
Rocky Road. Peanut brittle.
Okay, and
I won't go.
that's good.
Good deals as well.
How much is it?
$2.50 each.
Ah. What brand is the chocolate?
Barrelay. Good
Is that a
brand.
good brand?
Yeah, it's a good brand.
Okay, well, better luck next time. Hindi kami nag-self-checkout, guys, kasi ang dami. Maguguluhan lang ako sa self-checkout.
Self-checkout.
I love self-checkout. Sobrang gusto-gusto. Kaya lang si Dan, naiinis siya sa akin kapag nagsi-self-checkout ako. Lalo na kapag sobrang dami. Iyan yung gustong-gusto ko. Check natin kung nabili ba natin lahat ng nasa glass wipe. Ah! Danny? Wiper for the shower door! Toilet paper, eggs. Yan lang naman yung nakalimutan. Ah, chicken nuggets. Yun lang, chicken nuggets at saka yung pang wipe ng glass. Anyway, let us do a haul. Oh my gosh. Alright, first one, we got rice. Bumili kami nito kasi pupunta si naman ay this coming weekend. So yan, para sa kapag uminom yung mga bata o para sa mga bisita. We got English muffins as well. Para breakfast ni John at saka ni Dan. And then chips. Kasi konti na lang yung chips namin. And ano yan, side dish yan sa steak ni Dan. He got apple juice. Hindi ako mahilig sa juice eh. Pero ito masarap to. Orange mango. Hindi siya as in like juice kasi. Mineral water kasi siya na orange mango flavor. Masarap to. Bumili kami 4. Usually hindi kami bumibili ito. Pero kapag may bisita, bumibili kami niyan. And then ito. Porterhouse steak. Gagawa ako ng guys. Beef with broccoli one night. Dinner. And then pork chops. Gagawa ako nung pork chops with creamy mushroom soup one night. Oh my gosh, Danny, we forgot mushroom! Mushroom! Oh, dalawa na yung porterhouse steak namin. Kasi yung isang pack para sa dinner ni Dan. At saka yung isa para sa beef with broccoli. So, nandito yung broccoli natin. And then, dalawang cucumber para yan sa ni Dan, lunch. At saka, bakit dalawa? Para sa cold rolls. And hindi ko alam kung para saan yung isa. Siguro side dish din para sa isa sa mga dinner niya. He got the Swiss style cheese slices para ipalaman dun sa kanilang English muffins. And then we got this as well. Side dish niya. One night para sa kanyang steak. Ito, magluluto ako ng spaghetti pagdating ng mga bata, pagdating nila Manay. Kasi si TJ, lagi naghahanap ng spaghetti. Last time na pumunta sila, wala akong spaghetti, tapos naghanap siya. So, this time magluluto ako ng spaghetti. So, we got cheese for that. And then, we got 2 salmon para sa lunch ni Dan. Dalawang salmon. Naka-sale to. Was it 20? 30%? I think 10% off. I'm not sure. I don't remember now. And then, from the deli, we got middle bacon para sa breakfast, pag may mga bisita. And then, chicken breast para sa lunch ni Dan, yung cold rolls niya na may chicken, egg, at saka cucumber. And then, we've got, dalawang chicken breast. Inano lang niya, pinaseparate niya ng pack. Alright. Third bag, chips. Hindi para sa akin to, para sa bisita. And then, ito, plato. Sa bisita din. And then, ito, diba kanina na-vlog ko, nakukunin sana namin yung fat-free. Si Dan, hinanap niya talaga yung traditional, guys. This was, I think, half off. Gusto niya yung traditional. Ayaw niya daw yung fat-free kasi daw baka maiba na yung lasa ng mayonnaise. Sabi ko, same lang naman siguro yan. Hindi naman siguro ano talaga yung difference. But yeah, he went for the traditional. Nayaan ko na lang siya. And then, we have the condensed cream of mushroom soup. Condensed cream of mushroom. Ito yung ilalagay ko sa pork chop. Kulang na lang natin mushroom. And then, ito, yung kinukuha ko nito lagi, 2 kilograms. Wala. Tapos, yun pa naman sana yung nakasale. Yung sobrang laki kasi nito, yellow na lang yung natira. And that was like $30 for sobrang laki naman. Yung binibili ko nito, 2 kilos. Uy, sayang talaga. Yun sana yung And then, 2 eggs lang, guys. Dinalawa na namin para na to sa weekend. At saka, para sa cold rolls ni Dan. And then, here we got more drinks. So, 3 orange mango lang pala. Tapos, isang Mountain Dew. Pinalitan ni Dan yung isa kasi yung Mountain Dew naka $1.20 lang ata. Akala ko doon may tao. Yung air fryer pala yung itim doon. My gosh. Dalawang milk. And then, I got chicken stock. I was thinking one night I will do arroz caldo. Kaya lang, hindi ako nakabili ng chicken thighs. Kailangan ko na lang ng chicken thighs. Hindi ako nakabili kasi si Dan ayaw bilhin yung nakapack na. Wala na sa deli. So, bibilhan niya ako. Ay, shoot. Hala, uy, dalawang chicken yung nabili ko do. Beef sana yung kukunin ko. Akala ko beef to kasi iba yung color, may blue. Ito, ano lang. Ano pala siya? Salt reduced. Kinuha ko na siya kasi ibang kulay. Sabi ko, ay, beef yan. Ano ba yan, oy? And then we got 3 of the fruit boxes. Iba-ibang flavors. So we have apple splash. We have apple blackcurrant. And then last one is the summer berries. For the kids, guys. Ang dami. Nakaano kasi siya half price. $2 na lang ata to from 4. And that's it. Like yan lahat. $168.87. Mga 6,200 pesos ito lahat. And kulang pa to kasi kailangan pa namin ng coffee ni John. Hindi namin siya binili kasi yung coffee nag-expire agad-agad. Bibilhin na lang namin siya kapag malapit na silang pumunta. And then, ano pa ba yung kulang? Oo, yung meat ko. Tapos, yeah. Kulang pa to sa isang, yeah. Pero okay lang yan. Sida na lang. And then, hotdog para sa spaghetti. Hindi na ako bumili ng pasta, spaghetti pasta. Kasi, meron na ako natira. Meron pa ako dun. Bili kami ng bili lagi. Meron pa pala akong dalawang box. Yung hotdog kasi, bibilhin ni Dan sa Filipino shop talaga. Or Filipino, or sa Asian grocery ba. Kasi gusto ko gamitin sa spaghetti ko. Yung Filipino na hotdog talaga, guys. Much better na if yung Filipino hotdog na may cheese. Yun yung masarap talaga sa spaghetti. And then, magpapabili din ako sa kanya ng pork belly na malaki. Para i-stock ko na lang dito. Sa Asian shop kasi mura yung pork belly. Ay, meron pa palang ginger. Para sa ating, arroz caldo. So, tonight, Dan will have steak. Ipuput away ko lang to lahat. May laman na ulit yung ating fridge. Luto tayo ng steak for dinner, guys. Dalawa. Siguro hingi lang ako kay Dan ng konti kasi wala akong dinner. Lalagyan ko siya ng vegeta, Italian herbs, at saka asin. Lalagyan ko pa sana siya ng, actually, lagyan ko ng konting garlic powder din. And pepper. Okay. Medyo marami ako mag-seasoning kasi gusto ko malasang-malasa talaga. I-air fry ko to, guys. So, ilalagay ko siya sa air fryer na ito yung naka-touch sa air fryer. Tapos, while nasa air fryer, lagay natin yung seasoning sa kabilang gilid. Na-miss ko to si air fryer. 180. Actually, 200. 200 degrees. Ganun lang natin. Yan. Kaya ako din siya dinadamihan kasi feeling ko kapag naluto na siya, naglalaglagan yung mga seasoning. Okay, tapos season natin yung kabilang side na yan, tapos i-air fry natin siya. Ito na yung steak. Masarap to, guys. Ano siya? 10 minutes each side. Yung corn natin, nandito niya. Na butter na yan. And yung chips, luto pa. Ano to? Well done. So, depende na sa inyo. Kung hindi nyo naman bet yung well done, yan nyo lang. Hindi nyo abutin ng 20 minutes. Pero yeah. Yan na yan. Hintayin ko lang yung chips. Kakalagay ko lang kasi dyan ko din niluto yung diba, steak. Tapos Tapos na kami mag-dinner kanina pa actually. Nakapag-edit na rin ako ng isang video kasi bukas guys, may birthday nga kaming atinan. Na ano ko na, narap ko na yung present. Hindi ko alam kung nasan. Baka nilagay na nindan sa sa harap. Oh, suot-suot ko pala yung galing Firmoo. Same style siya nung suot ko kanina. Kaya lang ang kapal nung black nun nung frame niya. Ito manipis lang. Yan. And ano siya, parang ano siya, gold, yan, gold at saka may black yung frame niya. And ang gaan lang niya. Ang gaan lang niya, mas magaan to kaysa sa nung suot-suot ko kaninang umaga. I-check ko ha, yung order ko para makita ko kung ano yung code nito. Yung pinipili ko kasi kapag ako nag-order sa Firmoo, narrow, para maliit lang. Kasi meron silang narrow at saka wide. So, narrow ako kasi maliit, like, maliit yung mukha ko. And then, ito yung, ano lang siya, parang, hindi siya silver. Parang, gunmetal. Yung frame niya. Actually, hindi sila exactly the same. Iba yung feel nito, iba din yung feel ng isa. Pero, yeah, iba sila, oh. Magkaiba sila. Pero, same, parang same lang yung shape ng, nila. Manunood daw kami ng movie ni Dan sa Netflix. So, yun na yung vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys hopefully tomorrow. Be good guys. Bye. Good night.